Protecting animal rights involves a multifaceted approach aimed at promoting their welfare and preventing harm. Here are some of the best ways to protect animal rights. 1. Education and awareness. Spread knowledge about animal rights, welfare, and the ethical treatment of animals. Educate others about the impact of their choices on animals and the environment. 2. Adopt and foster. Consider adopting or fostering animals from shelters and rescue organizations. Provide them with a safe and loving home, reducing the demand for breeding and decreasing the number of animals in overcrowded shelters. 3. Report animal abuse. If you witness or suspect animal cruelty or neglect, report it to the appropriate authorities. Timely reporting can help rescue animals from abusive situations and hold perpetrators accountable. 4. Support sanctuaries and rescue organizations. Contribute to animal sanctuaries and rescue organizations that provide care, rehabilitation, and a safe haven for animals in need. Donations of time, money, or resources can make a significant impact. 5. Promote responsible pet ownership. Encourage responsible pet ownership practices, including proper veterinary care, adequate shelter, and meeting animals' physical and emotional needs. 6. Choose a plant-based lifestyle. Adopting a plant-based or vegan diet reduces demand for animal products and supports animal rights. Explore delicious and compassionate alternatives that promote a sustainable and cruelty-free lifestyle. 7. Volunteer and get involved. Contribute your time and skills to animal welfare organizations, shelters, or advocacy groups. Volunteer, participate in campaigns, or organize fundraising events to make a tangible difference in the lives of animals. Remember, even small actions can have a significant impact when it comes to protecting animal rights. Together, we can create a world where animals are treated with compassion, respect, and dignity.